community, sometimes tired, but I'm just really just talking about support her book. She has done a great and wonderful thing among the people of Uganda. I want to say thank you to Daddy for his help. I want to thank everyone, family, for the great way they raised her. I think because of that, and a lot of things, that is why I don't want to talk about it. It's one of the wonderful things, but that is the story for tomorrow. But I'm going to contribute to Dr. Ritah Kagwa. I don't know how much it is in the Uganda actually, but I'm going to buy the book, 150 pounds.
150 pounds. 150 pounds.
Let's go!
Thank you, Olga. I know you've been supporting always. This is just a mere addition on what you've been doing.
I'm glad to be here, and the main reason why I'm here is because I'm an advocate of women. I like women who are so innovative and that do things that change other women. So when I looked at the preamble of the book, I thought it's going to help a number of young women that are struggling with their businesses and they're not moving. And if you read the book, you'll actually learn new skills to help you move your business across boundaries with spending less. Many businesses are struggling with rents. Many businesses are struggling with the traditional ways of marketing. And this book is an epitome to answer all the issues. So I'm going to buy the book at 1 million cash.
Wow.
Just to support.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you so much, Doctor. The microphone. Ajimpe Mama Halima. Papa, microphone ajimpe Mama Halima. Mama Halima na makula.
Muli mchamwe n'abalye bannange abalungi gye muli abalungi gye muli muli bulungi namwe gye muli eno bamama ne bataata tubagumye omugongo tukolemu katono kano bwe kati
webatyo wennyini nnyini